Chanel. I done bought a new Chanel. Look, I done bought a new Chanel because we made it. I done bought a new Chanel because we dated.
What's goody, y'all? Back at it again with another video. This wasn't supposed to be a YouTube video, but I said let me just go ahead and switch to a YouTube video because it was a little too long. But for this video, we're going to do it a bit different. So as you see already, I started the video out fast forwarding because like I said, it was a pretty long video and I got it down to a decent time. But I'm going to go ahead, leave the video fast forwarded the whole time, and I'm going to just let the video play. And then at the end, I'll explain to you guys like small stuff I did or any tricks or any tips I can give on the hairstyle after I finished it. Okay, now that we're at the end, you're able to see the final look I did. So I decided to do just a simple high bun with twist coming down in front of my face. The only difference was with what I never did before is that I sectioned off like a square part of the front of my head as you seen with the video, and then split into two more sections and did the twist kind of coming in a crisscross direction. I really like the hairstyle. It was really cute. I just wish I had some like accessories or like hair jewels to go on them. I don't know what they're actually called, but you guys know what I'm talking about. Stuff you could just put on there and hang it through. It would have been really cute like that. The only thing I would change in this whole hairstyle would be to make sure that the rubber bands that I put on the section squares I did, make sure those are really tight. One of my ones in the front were kind of loose, which made it hard for me to crisscross one of them and actually get a good twist out of them, but they still came out good. I think this is an easy hairstyle you can do to just spice up any look that you plan on wearing that day. It just gives it more of a vibrance. But if you guys have any questions as to what products I use, just let me know. I also want to go in and add that I have started a Instagram page directly related to my hair videos. On that, I'll also be giving like skincare videos, and various like reviews on like hair care products or skincare stuff. Just some stuff that I struggle with a little bit as far as like skincare. And I think things that people want to see are like reviews and stuff like that, especially if you are planning on doing natural hair or you look for natural hairstyles. You want to know what products are good, what products work for you as far as hair and skincare. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Right now we wrapping it up, and stay tuned for the next drop.